SimpliFire includes this protective cover to be used during new construction applications. This will help keep the dust and debris out during the construction process. Before installing any of the components, make sure to remove the foam inserts. And protective film over the display. This fireplace is designed to be hardwired. You can choose one of two options, 120 volts or 240 volts. If you choose the 120 volt option, you will get 5,000 BTUs of heat out of the heater. If you choose the 240 volt option, you will get twice that. For reference, any of your plug-in space heaters at home are roughly 5,000 BTUs of heat. Next, we'll want to bend up the positioning tabs. There are 3 of them. After that, we'll grab the fuel bed filter and put it in place, using one of the tabs to position the fuel bed filter. Next, we'll grab the bottom refractory panels, also using the positioning tabs. After that, we'll grab the black embers. Next, we'll turn the unit on. While it's in its boot up phase, I will grab the remote and batteries and put those in. And we'll wait for the unit to do its boot up. As you can see, there's an app for this unit as well. During the setup process, take out your phone, scan the QR code, and install the app. It's going to get hot in here. Now we'll put the front on the unit. Prior to doing so, make sure that the master switch is flipped on the appliance junction box. And the wire harness that will be connected to the front is pulled out in front of the unit. Now we'll connect power to the unit. SimpliFire has done a great job of discreetly placing some basic controls on the front of this Inception fireplace. From here, you can turn the flames on, flames off, heater off and on, as well as adjust the lights on the fireplace. And ultimately, turning the fireplace off.